it is an early start this morning. It is 3:25 a.m. I am heading towards the edge of my normal radius, going down to Howell, New Jersey, to get a glimpse of this. I'll see you when I get there. Okay, I made it down to Howell, New Jersey, the Manasquan Reservoir. I'll turn to my left and I'll show you what I came to shoot. I got these really cool dead trees basically sitting in the water here. The water's nice and still, so there's going to be a cool reflection. Try to get these trees with the sun rising behind it. I'm gonna set up on these rocks over here and see if I can get a good shot off. Okay, I set up on these rocks right by the reservoir. I'll turn this way, I'll show you what I'm shooting here. You get these really cool dead trees in the middle of this reservoir, and the water is really still, so you get this nice reflection. I got a camera on a tripod here. It's still about 20 minutes before sunrise, and it's a 15-second exposure, so I'll click off a shot and we'll see how it comes out. Hoping to pick up some of the nice color in the sky, and of course the contrast with these trees in the foreground here could be pretty cool. 5 seconds, we'll find out. Yeah, it's pretty cool actually. Here, check this one out.